Uh, Hello everybody. In this video we will learn about comparing function values. That is, try to solve certain inequalities and equations by analyzing their graphs. So for example, if we are given two functions f of x and g of x, we can draw the graphs of these two functions on the coordinate plane, and we will analyze the points where the graph intersects, and these points are the functions, are the values of the two functions where they are equal. So if f of x intersection means their values are equal. So if f of x and g of x are equal, this means graphs intersect. Okay, so if the graphs intersect at x, so some value, at some input value, they both have the same functional value. Pictorially, it can be seen that the two graphs will be intersecting at that particular point of x. So this x will be nothing but the solution of the equation, that is solution of this equation, that is f of x is equal to g of x. This is nothing but an equation. So when the pictorially, if you see intersection of two functions, intersection of graphs of two functions, then that means at that particular x value, x is the solution of f of x is equal to g of x. Okay, so and graphically, if you see g higher than f, so in this case, in the two graphs below here, so you have g higher, taking higher values than f. So in this case, that means g of x is greater than f of x. G of x will be greater than f of x for all x values, that is between the range a and b. G is higher than f, but after b or before a, so g is taking values below f. So that means g of x is less than f of x. So this g of x is greater than f of x in the interval when x belongs to closed interval a comma b. Is it closed interval? Sorry, open interval a comma b, because at a and at b the values of g of x and f of x are equal. So if you have an equal sign here, then you can have closed interval, but you don't have an equal sign. It was strictly greater than, therefore it is open interval. So and g of x is less than f of x. Where is it? It is when x belongs to 0 to a, 0 to a and b to infinity. Okay, so then f of x is greater here. So I will shade that region in yellow. So here f of x is greater, right? So that is high, it is higher than g, therefore it satisfies these two inequalities. So this is how you look at the graphs and you find out the solutions as well as the solution for the inequality. So the whatever I said till now can be put into two statements, that is the solution of the equation f of x is equal to g of x are the values of x where graphs of f and g intersect. Okay, so where f and g intersect, so in these two pictures here, they are one and the same. So in the first picture you see that f is intersecting at a. I'm highlighting it, I'm highlighting it using green. So F is intersecting at A and B with G. So F and G are intersecting at A and B. Therefore, X is equal to A comma B will be the solution for the equation f of x is equal to g of x. And if you have an inequality, that is, here you can see within A and B, as I explained earlier, g is taking greater values, that is higher values than f. Therefore, the values that come in between A and B, so that will be the solution for the inequality f of x less than g of x. So you learned how to solve inequalities in your section 1, as well as how to solve certain equations using in section 1. So graphically you can solve an inequality or an equation graphically by the method that I taught you now. Like if you have to solve if you have to find out the range of x, that is all the values of x that satisfies the inequality f of x is less than g of x, look at the graph and find out where exactly g is taking higher values, that is greater values than f, and find out their corresponding x values. That would be the solution for the equation f of x less than g of x. So I am using a graphing calculator here. So I have already plotted the graph. Okay. So this is a function that is given in your book as an example. So where f of x is where f of x is y is equal to 2x square plus 3, that you can see here, and g is y is equal to 5x plus 6. So both have been plotted here. So this represents this represents, I don't know why I'm not able to write. The green color graph represents y is equal to 2x square plus 3, and the red color graph represents g of x is equal to 5x plus 6. So you can see it is intersecting at this point, that is negative 0.5 comma 3.5, and it is intersecting at this point, that is 3 comma 21. So it is intersecting at these 2 points. Therefore, what is the x value of both the intersecting points? That is negative 0.5 and 3. Therefore, solution for the equation f of x is equal to g of x would be negative 0.5 and 3. And where is the this red line, that is g of x, function g of x, it is taking higher values between these two intersecting points. Between these two intersecting points, g of x is taking higher values than f of x. So if you have to find out the solution for the equation, I will go back to notes. If you have to find out the solution for the equation 2x square plus 3 less than or equal to 5x plus 6. So for 2x square plus 3 equal to 5x plus 6, solution was x is equal to 0.5 comma 3. So for 2x square plus 3 less than 5x plus 6 would be where x is equal to or x belongs to 0.5 comma 3. Correct? So combining these two, we can write the solution for 2x square plus 3 less than or equal to 5x plus 6 is interval, closed interval 0.5 comma closed interval 3. correct? So similarly, if you are given, if you are asked to find out the solution for this inequality, that is 2x square plus 3 greater than 5x plus 6. So going back to the graph, here you can see your red line after the intersection point 3 comma 21. So it is below the green line, right? So that means green line is taking higher values after this particular intersecting point, as well as I think that is the point where it is taking higher values, as well as the point before the intersection, that is 0.5 comma 3.5. Even before this, the green line is taking the I'll see if I can point. Okay, so even here it is taking the higher values than the points here, correct? After 0.5 comma 3.5. Therefore, so what would be the solution? It would be negative infinity up to negative 0.5 and 3 to infinity. So whenever the f of x is taking higher values than g of x. So you can write it to be the solution for this. Solution for 2 of x square plus 3 greater than 5x plus 6 is negative infinity comma minus 0.5 union 3 comma infinity. So I hope you understood how to extract a solution of an inequality as well as for an equation using graphs of two functions using graphs. So you can do the same. You can use the online calculator that I used. I think the name of the calculator is I have sent out an email about giving you a name of a calculator, that is the online calculator. This is something, yeah, GeoGebra graphing calculator. Okay, so you can use that as an app as well as you can use it online in Google, like in the website, and plot graphs. If you just have to enter the equations and see how your graphs look like, and this is really helpful to find out the intersecting points as well as find the solutions in the method that I taught you now. So you should not use a graphing calculator unless you are asked to use. So if you are asked to solve graphically using a graphing calculator, you can use this website. I will include it in the exam. You can use it in the exam also if you are asked to use it. If not, you can arbitrarily take values of f of x and calculate f of x and g of x and plot the graphs. So if you are asked to plot it manually, you will be given such simple functions where you can plot it and identify the intersection points for a smaller x values. So if you are asked to plot using a graphing calculator, it would be little complicated. Based on that, you can use either of them. You can use either of the method and use the techniques that I taught you now to find out solutions of equations as well as inequalities. So coming back to your quiz problem. So I think this is quiz 2.3.2. So this is quiz 2.3.2. okay, so that would be again I would just give you an exercise problem. I'm sorry. Okay, so that would be yeah, I'm just finding out. Okay, solve equations and inequalities graphically. Graphically, so that is your number 26. You're not supposed to use graphing calculator for this, so you can plot the values, draw the graph. I need to see the table of values for this graph, so plot the graph and find out where exactly does it. So a minus x square is equal to 3 minus 4x. B minus x square greater than or equal to 3 minus 4x. So here x square is f of x and this function is g of x, or either you can take anything as any, name anything as anything. So these are the two functions. Hope you recognize that. And this is an equation and this is an inequality. So based on the method that I taught above, try to solve this graphically. I need to see the graphs. I need to see your highlighting, and I need to see you highlighting the intersected points, as well as finding out the region where the x values they satisfy the given questions. So in the next video, we will learn about increasing and decreasing functions, like how to find out, looking at the graph or analyzing the graph, whether a function is increasing or decreasing. So see you in the next video. Thank you.